Hey guys, so we just got into our room, 8292 on Harmony of the Seas. They gave us the birthday package, which is crazy. I'm in love with it. Oh my God. So they did this cute thing on our door. I'm going to show it to you and I'm going to give you a room tour. Hold on. Hey guys, Future Mindy here. So I just wanted to make a quick correction. When we did arrive at Harmony of the Seas to our stateroom, the birthday package was in the stateroom, but it was not from Royal Caribbean. I found out that my friends on the cruise left or bought the birthday package for us and had it put in our staterooms for us. A big thank you to them. You know who you are. It made my day. I can't thank you enough. It was truly special and I brought it all home with me. And just a side note, if you do that for someone, they did not tell me that it was done by someone else. So that's why I thought that the cruise line had done it. I had gone in the room, I checked the papers on the bed. There was no indication anywhere that it was from my friends and not from the cruise line. So just be made aware of that. In case you do it for somebody and then they don't tell you thank you, it may be because they didn't know you did it. So first off, there was this cute door decoration that we were totally not expecting. And so then we walk into the room and we have this nice mirror and we have all these birthday decorations, which are so cute. And then I'm going to show you the bathroom real quick, which is actually a really nice size. So that's the shower that looks really nice. And the potty and the trash can and this really nice area sink. Super nice. Hi. Okay, and so more birthday decorations and they're so cute. They are so ingenious. They are magnetic. So you can move them if you don't love where they are. Nice bed with lights. And the floor is really pretty. And this really nice couch lounge area with all this beautiful artwork. And we got this nice blackout curtain to block out the light. And this nice desk area. And they put the little birthday thing on the mirror too. I'm in love with this. And then this balcony, oh my God. This balcony is like the best thing ever. So it's got this really nice textured stuff. Got these two really nice chairs and it has the leg rest prop and the table. And we've got the nice divider and the view and it's got the nice glass. Oh guys, this is totally amazing. I am in love with Harmony of the Seas and this room. Okay, so that was the full room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I do want to just make a few quick notes about the room in general for you. So they do offer and provide a body wash / shampoo. I used it the whole trip. It does a really good job of just like cleaning. It's not moisturizing, so keep that in mind. So if you don't mind just like a clean something, it's great. But if you need moisturization, you should probably bring your own stuff. But other than that, it was fine. It had a nice smell. The room did have a mini fridge in that tall section next to the desk. And it was plenty big for our 7-night cruise. We threw bottles of water in it all week long, and it chilled them really well. So was pretty happy with that. A tip about balcony rooms, when you open the door, it does shut off the AC. So you have to make sure if you're gonna hang out outside that you shut the door and lock the door and make sure it's properly locked. Otherwise it will turn off the AC. If you have any other questions for me, drop me a comment down below. I'm here to help. I'm here to answer your questions as best I can. And until the next time, guys, shake a tail feather.